Welcome to beautiful of Plant City. This stunning home features 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, a 2-car garage and sits on a 1.50 acre lot that offers lots of privacy. With no HOA and no CDD. Great opportunity for the family looking for a fantastic home with an awesome layout. New roof replaced in 2017, newer air conditioner unit, around 10 years old, and a new entry door. Tile floors throughout the home and high ceilings, no popcorn. This gorgeous home features 2 master bedrooms for a total of 4 bedrooms plus den plus dining room for plenty of space for the family. The second master can also be an ideal bonus room or guest room with private bath with access to the back porch. Large bedrooms and high ceilings with lots of windows create the feeling of even more space in this 2,481 square foot large home. The kitchen is the center of the home with granite counters, an island, a corner closet pantry, eating space in the kitchen and a breakfast bar that opens to the living room with great-looking fireplace and French doors that lead to the backyard. The master bedroom is large. It also has French doors to the back patio, and a large master bathroom with 2 walk-in closets and a jetted spot tub and 2 separate vanities. Enjoy this great size home on this much property with newer roof and air conditioner. No water or sewer bills, private well and septic. Bring your boat, your RV, your trucks, and all your tools and pets. This area allows horses, cows, chickens, etc. The property is fenced with a storage shed in the back. Located just off Highway 60 for easy access to everywhere. Come and see this amazing home today.